Hello everybody, I'm Scotty from Scotty's Clock World. Thanks for joining me back on my channel. Now before I put the movement back into the case, I'll show you the rather ingenious way they've designed the bellows so that one lift lever, this lever here, fires off both the notes, the high note and the low note. As the movement turns round, this lever here rises up on this wheel here and it gets to the top and then it drops down, and that's when the cuckoos are activated. This lift lever here has this wire attached to it, and as that lever runs over the wheel and lifts up, it gradually lifts up both the bellows like so. This piece of wire in a square shape sits under the bird's tail, and as this wire lifts, it slowly lifts that square piece also, and that makes the bird bob. But what's really clever about this is this piece of bent wire here. So as this wire lifts, I'll have to hold that up. Initially, goes up like so, and this happens when that wheel is almost at the top, and then when it drops off, this wire here drops, which gives you the first note. I'll make that a little bit stronger so you can hear it, and this wire here that comes out of that bellows falls down across this little bit of a bend here. For the second bellows, this wire which is caught here with this hook, the wire falls down, there's sufficient weight on it to drop that, and as that wire drops down, it hits that little bump on the wire there and drops it, and then the second note of the cuckoo plays. So that is pretty clever. That's how they get the two of them, the high note and the low note, to play on a single lift lever. Alright, now we'll put the movement in. Before we do that, we'll feed the chains through the holes. First one. Then the other side. Catch it with a pair of tweezers. Feed it through. Up over the top. Keep the chains out of the road. Then line those two pieces of metal there with the holes cut in the front and push it in and push it down flat. The chains are right. Now we'll turn it over. we now have to attach this wire, which I'll open up a tiny bit, and that goes, open that up a bit more. I think it's still a little bit tight. That wire goes onto that lever there. That's got him. Bend the wire down. Right. Now, put that wheel on. Now we'll hang it up on a test stand and check it for a little while before we put the front of the case on. The movement's quite tight in there, that's all right. So, put a hand on. So to do that, I'll need that piece there, turn it round till it fits. That's an elongated hole, yep. All right, that's got him. Now put the minute hand on. The holes in there correspond to the high points there. Put that on. Then the knurl nut. Tighten it down. Not too tight, we don't want to break the hands. They're not very thick. Right, so there we have it. I'll go and hang that up on the test stand now. First up, I'll put the back door in so we can hang it up. Then we'll run it on a test stand for a little while and we'll see how it works.